Well, hello guys, welcome back to Mr. G Physics, the channel that can help you to improve your marks in physical sciences from grade 8 to 12. This is Mr. G and today we're going to be doing a question on projectile for the grade 12. Very simple question, but let's make it as easy as possible. If you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe, don't forget, so you can get the notification of all the videos I post on regular basis. This question says a ball is dropped from the top of a building 20 meters high. Ignore the effect of a resistor, and here's a drawing of the situation. I just want to add that the velocity here is equal to 0 because the object is being dropped. So when the objects are dropped, the initial velocity is equal to 0. Let's mention that this is the initial velocity. Maybe we should write it like that. Is equal to 0 meters per second because the object is being dropped. Okay, and something else also, you remember the acceleration due to gravity will be equal to 9.8 meters per second all the way down, all the time. This acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second square down. Okay, so that is important data we have here. Question 1.1, define the term free fall. And then free fall is the motion of an object. Remember, free fall is motion, while projectile is an object, okay? So be careful with those two definitions. So free fall is a motion of an object under the influence of gravitational force only. And this is very important. So you cannot leave out this part, gravitational force only. The only force acting on that object will be the gravitational force. That is why it's a free fall. Okay, now use equation of motion only to calculate the speed at which the ball hits the ground. So this ball eventually is going to reach the ground somewhere here at the bottom. Okay, somewhere here that ball will reach the ground. So what is the speed of that ball while reaching the ground? In other words, they're looking for the final speed. Okay, no direction needed in this situation. Now, because everything is pointing down, we're going to take down as positive. Write down positive. This is also important to do when you're working with projectile. And if down is positive, means that 9.8 is positive. Okay. And then in this case, according to the data we also have the height. The height is here in this side. Let me highlight them. Here is the height, is 20 meters. That in actual fact would be the displacement, which is the vector from starting point to end. That one is the displacement, okay? So what will be the most suitable formula to use? The easiest one in this case will be v square, or final velocity square, is equal to initial velocity square plus 2 times the acceleration due to gravity multiplied by the displacement. I'm going to write y for displacement, and all we have to do is to substitute. We're looking for the final speed. This in square, initial is 0 square plus 2 multiplied by acceleration due to gravity is positive. In this case, the displacement is also positive and is equal to 20, and then that will give you the final answer now. Okay, do it step by step. This one is 392 because it's a square. You must get the square root of that number, square root on both sizes. Okay, so that square go, and then you get that this one is equal to 19.8 meters per second. No direction because they only want the speed. Speed doesn't have direction. That is the first question here. And then finally calculate the time it takes the ball to reach the ground. So same story according to the data we have. Now we also have the final speed of the object. Okay, we have to calculate the time. So we go to the formulas in the examination guideline, or you can go in the exam, and then you will get the most suitable formula for this question. In this case, this is question 1.2.2, is final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied by the time. You have everything. All you have to do is to substitute. I like to substitute in the same way the formula is given to you. So this one is 19.80 and this is equal to 0 plus 9,8 multiplied by the time. And when you rearrange this one, you get that this 19,8 divided by 9,8 equal to the time, and you get that the time is 2,02 seconds. So guys, this is the end of the question. Very simple question to start, but it will have to use some formulas. So I hope it helped. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Mr. Yi here.